Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character by step. I will write it in regular scripts, then following a word and a sentence. Let's write. By white. Empty. Free of charge. By, for example, 白色. White. White color. Of all the colors, I love white best. I love white best. 在所有的颜色中，我最喜欢白色。在所有的颜色中 I love white best. 我最喜欢白色 white. 在所有的 of all 颜色中，我最喜欢白色。Of all the colors, I love white best. 在所有的颜色中，我最喜欢白色。白 in cursive. By white, empty, free of charge. 白色 white. Of all the colors, I love white best. 在所有的颜色中，我最喜欢白色。白 Please comment any words or sentence with the character by. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.